welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hi, I'm V and I do videos on hair makeup reviews and tutorials. Today we have another hair review. I'm very excited to be collaborating with Googoo Hair today to give you a full review of their Remy hair extensions. They are an online company that provides worldwide shipping of 100% Remy human hair. The really great thing too is that they provide expert color matching, and also if you receive your hair extensions and they are not the right color, you have 30 days to do an exchange or a refund. So here I am today to share with you my experience with using Googoo Hair. They gave me the choice between clip-in or halo extensions. Personally, for me, I prefer to use halo just because it's a lot easier, faster to put into your hair. And with me having kind of like this shorter, blunt haircut, I find it takes a lot more work to try to hide all of this like straight edge hair with clip-ins. This is in the shade Bleach Blonde Balayage. I finally managed to dye my hair to make them match. Because before I had really blonde hair and I was having a lot of trouble because I thought that these would be a little bit lighter and that maybe my roots would be less dark. So we had a little bit of a delay trying to be able to wear these. So I have worn these before, so they're not exactly like brand new from the packaging, but despite me having worn them a few times, they still look super silky, super healthy. Like, I'm not sponsored to give this review. They just gave me this product for free to try, and I can say that this is quality. Also has enough hair to make it look like that is natural, and it goes really well with the hair that I have right now. So basically, I've worn these a couple times. I have not washed them yet. They're also in 20 inches long, so when I put them on, they are very long, and we love that. I'm gonna go ahead and put these on, and I can kind of show you what they look like. So my technique for installing hair extensions with this kind of short hair is I put half of my hair up, basically from on top of my ear, and basically what I'm going to do, I want to be able to hide all of this hair in the best way that I can. When you can see this hair and then you have your hair that's going all the way down, it gives away the whole illusion that you're wearing hair extensions. Basically, my trick is to braid all the way going from around here. I'm gonna do 2 braids and then pin it up, and then I'll be able to hide whatever is going on here with my real hair. Okay, so both of my sides are now braided. You can see that's basically just split down the middle. So now the next part is basically going to be pinning these up. Oh my God, my cat, did you see that? Girl, what is your problem? You got a bushy meow to you too, bitch! Don't lie in my hair extensions. I just brushed those. We're taking this away from my cat. Anyway, so basically you're gonna wanna pin this up. That is the next step. So this is nice and secure. I also use one of these like comb pin thingies just to secure any of the small baby hairs that are underneath and hide everything there. So now what we can do is magical moment. The elastic is just going to sit on top of my head, and I'm going to clip these in the right spot. Okay, so this is what it looks like when I've installed the hair extensions, but I have not fixed the rest of my hair, which makes it so obvious that I'm wearing hair extensions right now. Basically, my trick that I've been doing has been to take all of this remaining hair that I have and try not to grab the extensions, and I'm going to basically braid it across where the lace line is of the hair extension. So you can see kind of here, I'm gonna braid on top, and that's gonna cover basically the seam that we have of the hair extensions. Another thing that you could do if your hair is long enough, mine might just be long enough now, is to just pull it back like so. If you're feeling kind of lazy or if you're in a rush, pull it back, and where's my hair clip? How low? Basically just pull the hair back, and if you want, just clip it like so, and then, I mean, not quite like so. You wanna pull out some hair to make it look a little bit more natural. I'm gonna do the braiding technique because I feel like my hair isn't long enough that I can swoop it all back and keep it in place, especially that tonight is like a drinking night, it's Saturday, and we're going clubbing. So I feel like it's not gonna stay in place. I need to have some secure reinforcement to my hair. So I'm gonna braid it, and I'm gonna show you what that looks like. Okay, so this is what they look like when they are put in. For my process, yeah, it's doing the braid, so it hides the lace seam that we have underneath. So basically you're gonna braid your hair and kind of like make it fuller just so you can hide whatever's going on here. And what I like to do is just to clip the braids together like this. And what the clip actually also does is it grabs onto the lace part that's running across, and it basically just holds it in place to make sure that it doesn't slip down or fall out. It just works really well. So I find the important part is to make sure that you have a little bit of fringe coming out, just so it kind of frames your face a little bit and kind of blends it a little, and it doesn't look like, you know, there's just one big braid and all of a sudden now your hair is down. So yeah, this is what the hair extensions look like. These are my favorite hair extensions so far that I've received. I find that they are just really good quality, really silky. They don't have any split ends like other kinds that I've tried before. Look how beautiful and long they are. I did try to curl them a little bit, but my straightener wasn't working very well. So they're not curled to their prime, but they do curl. But as you can see, they are quite long. They're 20 inches. Doesn't take that much time to install them if you know you just need to quickly put on your hair extensions if you're going out somewhere last second. The hair does not fall out, it stays intact. I really like that this halo has clips also on the lace portion so that you can really just snug it, so that you can really get it to hold in place for wherever you're going. So I find this looks really cute. You can even like, oh, when I put it on one side, this looks even cuter. If you put it in a little ponytail with like a nice cute hair elastic, you know, that, ooh, I kind of like that actually. Let me grab this like hair tie here. I want to put this tied up. This looks so cute. I'm going over to someone's place tonight. I'm really excited. Kind of have a crush on this person. I don't think he watches my videos, so it doesn't matter. Oh, this looks so cute! I just did a thing. Okay, anyways, I love these hair extensions. Thank you again, Googoo Hair, for doing this collaboration with me and providing these wonderful hair extensions for me today so I can feel extra confident, extra cute when I'm going out. I just want to feel a little bit more feminine. I feel so much more confident with my hair like this. I'm telling you, if you have short hair, get yourself hair extensions. I'm telling you, I'm gonna put the link in the description box below. They are just feeling fantastic. I think you can also get them off of Amazon. I will put the link in the description box below as well. That's basically my review of the Googoo hair extensions. As you can tell, I'm very excited right now because I feel amazing, because I feel like I look really cute. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Again, please make sure to like and subscribe and ring that bell below so you can get notifications on my latest uploads, and I will see you in my next videos. Bye!